Looks pretty cool. Seats there, normal. Thermal cam.
Watch your step.
Well, I mean, if there's anybody fucking under here, they're gonna be able to see them before they see us. Maybe we should try a different fucking frame. Yeah, I see it. The fuck? The fuck is that? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, let's do that.